Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonam Prajapati. So friends, today I'm gonna show you how to set password for Windows 10. So let's start the video. Friends, click on the left side of window. Here is for Windows sign and click on this, and after that friend, here click on the right click, and after that change account setting. So friends, go to sign in options. So here is the password, so click on the add. So friends, I enter password here. So I am putting some password here. Re-enter password again, and password hint, you can put anything. So after that click on the next button and finish. So the password is changed. So friends, let's talk about the pin. So click on the add button and add your password of computer. So this is my password. So I am creating new pin. So pin is, if you will forget your computer password, you can open with the help of pin. So I have changed pin. So this is what my password, and click on the OK. So friends, if you don't find the option here, I will tell you second way. So go to search here setting and click on the accounts, and after that click in the sign in options, so you can find here. So I hope you friends you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.